Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove a bank account from Acorns. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $5 after signing up and making your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. Now, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Linked Accounts. On this page, you will see the accounts linked in your account. Click on the bank account you wish to remove. Then on the upper right part of this page, you will see an Unlink button. Click on the Unlink button. Now a pop-up message will appear asking if you would like to unlink this account. To proceed, click on Confirm. That's how you remove a bank account from Acorns. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.